To adjust the icons in your status bar for Honor X7D, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to enter notifications and status bar, and then we can go to the status bar options. Here we can find all of the settings. So first of all you can activate a pure mode, which will remove all of the icons from your status bar except the time, Wi-Fi and battery. There's also the SIM card settings. If you have the mobile data, then you will see a connection status for that. Next things that you can do is when you turn this option off, you can enable or disable notification icons. You can show your carrier name. You can show network speed. And finally, there's also battery percentage that you can customize with 3 different options. You can hide it entirely. You can go for the number inside and the number outside. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.